When paired with DJI RC Motion 3, DJI Avata 2 provides users with an easy Acro function that adds more fun to flying. To ensure flight safety, perform easy Acro actions in an open environment. Open the shortcut menu from the FPV view and select Easy Acro. The aircraft will be in Easy Acro mode. After taking off, use the dial on the motion controller to switch between Easy Acro actions. Easy Acro includes 180-degree drift and flip. Slide is also available in normal flight modes with Easy Acro enabled, allowing users to make the aircraft ascend or descend, or move left or right horizontally. Slide. With slide selected, push the joystick up or down to make the aircraft ascend or descend. Push the joystick left or right to make the aircraft move left or right horizontally. 180-degree drift. With 180-degree drift selected, push the joystick left or right to make the aircraft rotate 180 degrees left or right. When pressing the accelerator to make the aircraft fly forward, push the joystick left or right to make the aircraft rotate 180 degrees left or right. During a drift, keep pressing the accelerator until the aircraft stops automatically. If the accelerator is not being pressed, the aircraft will stop drifting. Press the lock button once to brake and hover if an emergency situation occurs. Flip. The aircraft can perform flip only when the altitude of the aircraft is greater than 1.5 meters. Push the joystick up or down to make the aircraft perform a front flip or a back flip. Push the joystick left or right to make the aircraft do one roll to the left or right. With Easy Acro, front flips, back flips, rolls can be performed easily, providing even more flying fun to the user. Thank you for watching.